Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So meron ng dumating galing Shopee. Tara, mabilis ang ano lang to, unboxing. So samahan niyo ako. Let's go.
2,000 years later.
So ayun, no, gamit ang my water tank. Then again, always sanitize before opening any package. Na-sanitize na naman, spray na naman ito ng alcohol. So, mabilisan lang. Ito yung una. Tabi muna natin. Sorry.
Ginagawa mo.
Okay. So, ito yung product. Sorry, pangat ito. Yun, nasira na yung yung label sa scotch tape. Pero ito yung product, Firefly Yellow Shield na 2-in-1 Air Humidifier and Purifier. So basically, yun, para lang 2-in-1 purpose. To humidify and to purify the air. Even though ang alam ko magkaiba to ng functioner, totally opposite yung function nila. So, tara, check natin yung details. Open ko lang. In order nga pala namin to the other day, pero dumating siya the next day. So 1 hour after nung pag-purchase, na-deliver na kagad. So good job kay seller. Good points yun. Okay, yung order slip. Then yung product. Of course, came with the manual, warranty form. Sorry. Higa natin siya para mahugot kasi wala akong pizza. There you go. So, yun. Balik na natin yung box. Check. Okay. So, physical, wala naman siyang damage. Although yung box parang siguro pag check nila ng product, pag open, so na tear yung box. Pero as long as wala naman damage yung product, okay pa rin naman. Okay. Okay, so ito yung mostly yung tank for water sa humidifier part. Okay, yung mechanism. Hindi natin siya i-tear, no? O, hindi ko may balik. Okay, so details ng product, quick details lang. Yun nga, 2-in-1 Air Humidifier and Purifier na 4 liters yung capacity ng water tank. And then it can cover 25-35 square meter na area. So kung kwarto or siguro sala na hindi naman ganun kalaki, kaya na niyang i-cover to. Meron siyang timer tsaka sleep mode function. Tapos yun, meron siyang 20 pieces na easy to clean washable na disc, which is yung blue kanina sa loob. Here. So 20 pieces yun. Mukha naman siyang 20 pieces. Okay. And plug, regular na 220, 2 prongs socket. Okay. Ganun natin, mabilisan. Kasi gagamitin na raw niya, so mabilis ang review. Dito nga pala lumalabas yung air. Itong maliit na part na to. Okay, dyan yung nag-output ng hangin. Then, filter. Okay, filter. Naka-honeycomb yung design. Then, yung cover niya, magnet type. So, madali siyang alisin. Ayan. Okay. Pure white. Okay, saksak natin. Mabilis. Saksak ko lang. Wala akong assistant ngayon eh.
Ginagawa mo!
One eternity later.
Okay, so yun guys, nasaksak na natin. Nilagyan na rin namin ng water yung tank para matest kung yung sa humidifier part. Yung regarding sa oil, hindi pa namin siya na-check kung pwede, pero mostly since humidifier, so regular humidifier, pwede naman yung oil na para yung scent panalo. So try natin yun. So touch base siya. So yun, hi, sabi niya hi. Alright, SL daw, may sakit ata to, naka sick leave. CO, galing Colorado ata, hindi, joke lang.
Ginagawa?
Kita nyo ba? Then yun, 3%, yung water ata na nilagay namin yun. Yan, 62. Okay. Okay. So ito yung of course yung una yung power. And then yung pangalawa, ito yung speed kung yan. Naka-sleep, low, medium, tsaka high. Not sure kung nadidinig niyo yun. Ano yung fan. So yun, nagbubuga na siya ng hangin dito sa yan, yung part na yan. Okay, going back to the product. And then ito yung water level. Yung pala yun, yung 40%. Kanina 60. So since kasi siya, nagkarga siya dun sa mismong unit aside from sa tank para yun yung i-discharge niya sa humidifier. And then timer, may self timer naman siya. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. Ayun. Hanggang 12 hours yung maximum na pwede nyo iset. And then sleep mode. Ayun. Okay. So, yun. Ito yung manual. Table of contents. Kung paano siya, kung ano mga parts, yung function. Yun. So, naka-indicate naman doon. And then, okay. So, ito palang third button natin, yung may water icon. Yun yung humidity settings. So, magra-range siya from 40 to 70%. And then, what else?
2,000 years later.
So, ayun. Wala naman siyang complicated na function or feature kasi yung air purifier niya automatic. So, once nag-turn on, matic na mag-on si air purifier. Yung controls basically is for the humidity or the humidifier part. Again, yung level, speed, level, slow, low, medium, tsaka high. Okay. Again, yung third icon natin, yan, third icon. Yun yung water level. Tapos timer and then sleep mode. Technical specification, again, nabanggit ko na naman. So, 220 volts yung plug natin or yung input. And then, yung tank, water tank, 4 liters. Yung noise level niya, 35 decibels ata to. Not sure. And then, yung cover area niya, again, 25 to 35 square meter. Yung bigat niya, nasa 5.8 kilo. And then, yung timer, hanggang 12 hours siya pwede set. Okay. Then, yung additional details, add ko na lang sa description box. Same goes with the details ni seller. Price, from 10K, nakuha namin siya ng 7,000 directly sa Shopee Mall, dun sa mismong Firefly na manufacturer. Doon naman kami halos lagi kumukuha sa mga manufacturer para sure na okay si product. And then madaling makipag-usap if ever na may conflict or may technical problem na nangyari. Madali naman makakausap yung mga yun. Then yung isang kasama sa package. Baba ko muna to. Wait lang. Yun. Welcome back. Then nababa na natin yung package. Yung air purifier at yung humidifier. Ito yung isa. Actually outlet lang siya. Extension. From Royu. Okay. Binili lang ni Esme para extra saksakan kasi yung ganito niya ako may gamit. Ayun, meron siya 3 USB port, 4 na regular na 220 outlet, yung dalawa para dun sa special na mga devices natin, may 3 prongs parang ito, yan, then on and off, then may breaker naman siya if ever na magkaroon ng issue. May isama rin siyang adapter para kung yung pagsasaksakan is 2 prongs lang, so meron siya. Then meron siyang free na USB cable, maliit lang, type B na cable, additional. So yan. Technical specification, hanggang 250 voltage daw. Temperature from -10 degrees Celsius to 40. Max power is 2,500 watts. Current is 10 amperes. And then outlet niya again, 4 outlet, 3 USB charging ports. Okay. Then naka-indicate naman sa likod kung yung power rating guide, kung ilan yung kinokonsume na wattage ng mga devices. So yun, wala namang ibang special feature aside from, again, may isang 3 USB, then on and off. So, sinama lang ito sa package, sa pag-order, kasi nga, kailangan nyo na extension. Alrighty, that's about it. Yung details nito, sasama ko na lang din sa description box para may idea kayo. Pero yun nga, yung main feature natin or yung main product na review is yung humidifier and air purifier, which is, balik natin, ito. Alright, so ayan. So yun guys, that's about it. If you have any comments, suggestions, and additional information na malamang may na-miss na naman ako, so feel free to leave a comment down below. And then if you have any question, we'll be more than happy to answer. We'll try to check those details for you para kahit pa paano makatulong kami or makapagbigay kami ng info or insight if ever na nagbabala kayo mag-purchase or may concern kayo about the product. And then if you found this video helpful, feel free to, let's say, give it a thumbs up and then hit the notification bell para updated tayo sa mga bagong video na or vlogs or videos na ilalabas natin. And then okay, so and then always please subscribe to our channel. Medyo dumadami na yung subscriber natin, so good job. Thank you guys. I owe you a lot regarding sa mga kasi kung walang manonood, wala din naman kami rito. Anyways, again guys, always stay safe, God bless, and this is Ikiboi, back now.